Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you guys really quickly how to get it looking really, really nice from going from something like this to something, as I showed you earlier, like that, which is way more what we're looking for. There's still a little blur here, but I can clean that up later. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is with your eraser, nice and small, with a pretty hard edge to your eraser, you're going to want to make sure that the hardness is up to, and maybe not 100%, but at least something up higher. And you're just going to go in and you're just going to shape it up like so. So I'll get these edges nice and crisp and really zoom in there for this portion of it. You don't want to see a blurry edge like I have right now. You want to have it be very solid. So I'll take the time really quickly to do that. And then I would probably do more, but I don't want to waste your time. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just look at my nail, and I'm going to look at the parts that need some more definition. So for example, I'm going to use I can use the color picker if I want to just steal from colors, or I can pick from my palette. I want to add these lighter areas right there. And I want a nice curve to it. I want it to have a pretty sharp edge to it as well. So I want to have a really low flow and a fairly medium hardness, and then I'm just going to kind of pull this in until I have a nice sharp edge, kind of go back and forth, and I'm just using the color picker here. And then when I look at my nail, it's a little hard in the dark, but I noticed that this top part right here is very light, so I'm going to get a nice straight edge in there, and I'm just using a low flow, very soft touch. I don't want to push hard. If I want to blend like I do here, I want to push hard. But if I don't want to blend, then I just want a nice slow flow. If I want to lighten that up a little bit, that's how I'm going to do it. So let me just push this edge a little bit higher so that white is just the very, very tip. As you can see, there it goes. And now it's starting to sharpen up. It's starting to look a little less blurry. And there's a little skin behind it, which is why I have this little area right here. And I still have a little bit of a shadow there, so that's all looking good. As far as reflections, this is easy. Just get I know it seems like it's, oh, there's no way I can make it look shiny. Well, if the light was on right now, which is not, all you have to do is just, generally it's like these lines that kind of come down, one thick one and a couple of small ones that kind of run with the ridges of your nail, plus a few that kind of run this way. And I want to sharpen that part up. It looks a little blended, a little muddy, so let me get some dark right up here and just very slowly add in some of those edges. Right underneath it, I got kind of some wrinkles going on, so maybe I'll get some of this one and just kind of come back and forth like that, like I had on the other nail. I cannot see it right now, so I'm just doing the best I can. This whole area is a little red, so let me get a really low flow, slightly bigger brush, and just kind of, with that pink right there, just kind of redden this whole little section up right now. So that's not bad. In very little time, I got it looking much better than it did a minute ago, which was this. Oops, not that. Which was, I can't go back in time. But anyway, you get the idea. So work from big to small. Start with big brushes for really, really big areas of shadow, and then work your way into the fine detail. You guys can do this, all right? All right? All right, let's do it. Thank you.